Hello, I will tell you a story. There is such a nice man named Johnson, but strangely, he's still alone with 40 years of age. He's reliable and hard-working individual. He's always completes his work in a timely and accurate manner. Because of his friendly manner and a cooperative spirit, he's a pleasure to work with. I always feel curious about him, so one day I want to talk to him. Hey son, do you want to go to hotel with me? Okay?